So, it's mid-February. Time to start thinking about getting some root crops in by the end of March. So, something's going on over here in my hugel beds. What you up to, Kate? What you up to?
Cultivating at a very odd angle.
Oh yeah? What's cultivating?
It's basically just mixing up all of your leaves and grass and stuff to make a stronger soil for your plants.
We've been this is H2.
It helps to break down and enrich the soil.
Yeah. We've been amending this sucker over the winter. We've got all what leaves we could get gathered up out of our yard in here. Wood chips from cutting this last winter's firewood, and a little bit of little tiny, just like 1 or 2 loads fresh chicken manure out of the hen houses. And
Hey, that's wood.
Cadence is rocking the 40-volt Ryobi power head on this neat little, I believe it's a Toro combi tool cultivator attachment. Why don't you spin it up, kiddo? Show them how good it works. Don't fall in the ditch.
Only ever done that once, and it was on purpose because it was hot.
Which it most definitely is not now. So she's doing the back first just so that she doesn't have to screw with it. I'll get down here a little bit more so you can see what's going on.
Oh my goodness.
Those spinning teeth do a great job of getting everything mixed together. It's actually the second time that it's been run through here. First time I ran it through just to mix up all the wood chips and canary grass that I laid in there this fall.
Gosh.
And this is the last mix it's going to get before it gets topsoil.
Oh, God.
Go ahead and finish up, kiddo, and then we'll start getting that compost ready to go.
Okay.
Now what are you doing?
Raking.
Oh yeah? How come?
Because it helps to make everything even.
Why does that matter?
So that way everything gets planted evenly after we put our topsoil on.
Oh, okay. You gonna be much longer?
Oh.
Huh. Okay.
Hopefully not.
Okay. Oh, decided we wanted a nicer, less muddy walkway in the no-budget garden. So, Katie is up there in the sauna filling the DR Power Wagon up with wood chips. Huh? Oh, stop being so melodramatic. Say hi to the bush hippies.
Hey.
Hey. Go on, top this off so we can go dump it.
Y'all, the lens be dirty. I'm really on top of the pile here. So, if y'all are wondering why I kept on pausing, it's because today I had my first day of strength and conditioning for PE. Your girl's tired. That's okay. I wonder if it's gonna die again. It's been dying, a lot. When he was coming up, it died in the road. roof will walk down here. My pitchfork!
Yeah, get the pitchfork.
You spilled it. You spilled it. That feels so hot on my legs. Oh, good button.
Work some of it this way, kiddo. Want me to take over?
No,
Okay.
go away.
Flip your rake over.
But this side is for the push.
Trust me, it'll work better. And pull, don't push.
Still a struggle, but okay.
It's less of a struggle. You need some over here, too.
Move! Out the way! Beat you up. I'll sit Cousin Katie on you again.
Got the good stuff. Like 6 or 7 years worth of kitchen scraps. They're not as active as they were last night when we scraped the crud off the top of it, but this is also loaded with red wigglers. It's gonna be good stuff. I think we're gonna grab one of Grandma's things. Yes? Yeah, I think we should strain it. How lumpy it is, you know what I mean?
Well, it's not just lumpy, it's also like there's still some kitchen scraps.
Well, I was concerned about that. Of course, I don't know, when the cultivator destroyed. Once it's in the beds.
That was so mean of you.
What?
To dump me out of the wheelbarrow.
Well, but did you die?
I'm not a load of wood chips.
Yeah, you're a load of hog.
I will fling this at you.
Shovel.
Take it back.
Okay, nothing back.
You're so mean. That's a big ass worm, Dad. Look.
Yep.
You should scoop them up. I don't want to hear nothing about my shovel technique from you guys. Beat y'all up. Come to y'all's houses and steal critters. Okay, so basically I am currently voiceovering because of the fact that Dad's speaker was way too loud and the fact that you couldn't hear us on the camera. So essentially, what we are doing here in this clip is I am bringing buckets of compost over to the raised beds and dumping them in as Dad is. Were you raking or cultivating?
Well, I'm holding the rake, so I'm going to say I'm raking.
Well, that's good. Hope y'all liked Toby's opinions. And so that is basically what is going on in this clip.
You want me to stop it and then restart it at the next significant event?
Yeah.
Okay.
So basically, what's going on in this clip is Dad is cultivating the second raised bed, and I am yet again taking buckets of loam over to the first raised bed. Only in the first voiceover that I did, it was the one that Dad's cultivating that I was taking the buckets of loam over to.
I'm
And
pretty sure they saw that.
Dad was more happy with the second raised bed, probably because we were able to keep it going longer. Well, not like going longer, but like we're able to put more stuff in it over the winter.
It's worked
And
up nicer. It's got a nicer,
meow, says the biker. Anyway,
it's got a way
um,
nicer consistency to it. It's got a nice crumble going on. It just all around turned out better. In fact, I'm still like 4 days later thinking about like putting a little bit of our chips or something in that first one. I'm working it in because the rain over the last few days has kind of beat it down into a slab.
yeah. So, and it we also weren't able to put as much stuff into the first raised bed because of the fact that we had the winter carrot experiment going. But that didn't turn out as bad as I thought. We actually ate those carrots that night and I roasted them. They were
And
pretty
they got
yummy.
butter
They were
and pepper.
munchable.
And are you trying to do that weird ASMR shit again?
ASMR. Anyway,
Anyway,
so that's basically what's going on in this clip. You can also see that we took the hoops for the winter carrot experiment down, and what was I saying in that clip? Something, anyway.
you're probably just screaming profanity about something.
Probably. It's another reason why we're doing voiceover for this is because I kept on like getting mad because I kept on spilling stuff, so lots
Well,
of profanity.
well, and there's also the fact that the audio editing software was still playing the music, but it had taken all of the instrumentation out, so it was just playing lyrics. So I just came to the realization that Cadence and I screwed up a little bit last winter by trying to keep those carrots going. This is the bed that sat fallow all winter. It's nice and full because since there wasn't anything growing in it and it wasn't covered, all winter we were able to work on amending it, just every so often dumping wood chips, grass clippings, just good compostable junk into it. And because of that, it was full enough that getting it ready to go only required a little bit of topsoil just so that everything in there has a little bit of a binder. This one, however, this is the bed that we had the carrots growing in all winter. And to get the soil level up to where we don't got to worry about things getting enough light on that side. This side I'm not worried about. That side, however, yeah. We got to haul at least one more trailer load of loam over here. And yeah, more shoveling. Well, there, it's all you now since I'm taking a break.
Okay, we really were just opening the chipmunks, my bad. Anyhow, so Dad is now shoveling what loam we have just collected into the first raised bed while I was using the restroom, I think. Um, and oh,
You better not have been using the restroom over there. That's the ditch.
never mind. I wasn't using the restroom. I was helping him out. My bad, y'all. Anywho,
This is where we decided to make it go a little bit quicker by I was shoveling at one end and you were carrying buckets to the other so it would go faster.
yeah, I don't think that this is the part where I had to use the restroom. Anywho, so basically, I was carrying buckets of loam to one end while Dad was just shoveling them out on the other. And
You
it
know that's like the 10th belch in this video.
was an attempt to make it go quicker, which did actually work. And now here is me shoveling wood chips.
Hang on.
So here's me shoveling some wood chips to go put down onto the ground.
But we decided we wanted more of a walkway.
Yeah, and it makes it less sloshy and everything down there when it rains.
It also clouded up while we were eating lunch and got freaking cold.
Yeah, for real. And so today I actually went and got more wood chips, but I did it all by myself, including backing up the trailer. Thank you, thank you. No need to applaud. Anywho,
Videos on the Patreon.
for real. Anywho, and so um,
Keep
that's
talking. I literally have no idea how to wrap up this video. So just like keep going until you get to the point where I can just fade out at the end.
okay then. So basically that's what I'm doing, and that's probably what we're gonna continue to do until we get with a point that we're pretty happy with, because I know that as of right now we do have to take another load of wood chips down to the shed because some of those are getting pretty,
They sank.
yeah, they sink, so they're getting pretty squishy again, but the idea is working. And we might put some in front of the shed because of the fact that it is getting kind of mushy. So bye guys.
We'll see you next time.